how much should you actually spend on brake rotors? Because some people are happy buying the cheap ones, but they often end up disappointed. It's a bit interesting, right? Let's break down the top 5 Raybestos R-Line front brake rotors to help you make the best choice. Product number 1, Raybestos R-Line replacement rotor. First up is the Raybestos R-Line replacement front disc brake rotor, priced at $69.87. What caught my attention is its premium grade build, making it a reliable choice for everyday driving conditions in SUVs and trucks. If you want dependable braking performance, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. These rotors are developed from OE samples and made with G3000 qualified material, which means they fit perfectly and work efficiently. Plus, they've been rigorously tested to meet SAE standards for tensile strength. If you're worried about vibrations or noise, these rotors are mill-balanced to ensure smooth, quiet stopping. Now, some people complained about the installation process being a bit tricky. Here's the thing though, if you're comfortable with DIY car maintenance, you'll probably find it manageable. But for those who prefer ease, you might want to consider professional installation. This is perfect for you if you drive a Chevrolet or GMC truck from the 2000s and want reliable braking. Skip this one if you're looking for something specifically for a compact car, but for the price, the quality is hard to beat. Now, if the price of this rotor made you hesitate, the next one on my list might actually be even better for your budget. Product number 2, AC Delco Silver Non-Coated Rotor. Next is the AC Delco Silver Non-Coated Front Brake Rotor, priced at $50.78. I was genuinely surprised by its high rating of 4.7 stars from 890 reviews. If you're on a budget and want quality, this is worth a serious look. This rotor stands out for its multi-alloy construction, which optimizes cooling and helps reduce brake fade. It also features a balanced design that minimizes noise and vibration, ensuring a smoother ride. Plus, with its durable build, you can expect extended brake pad life, which is a win-win for your wallet. But let's be real, some users found it a bit noisy when first installed. However, this is often due to the break-in period, and many reported it quieted down after a few hundred miles. So if you can be patient, it shouldn't be a deal breaker. This rotor is perfect for you if you drive a sedan or light car and want to save some cash without sacrificing quality. But if you need a rotor for a heavy-duty vehicle, this might not be your best fit. Overall, for the price, it's hard to argue against it. Now, if you're looking for something specifically for Chrysler or Jeep, the next product could be a better option. Product number 3, Raybestos R-Line Automotive Replacement Rotor. Coming in third is the Raybestos R-Line Automotive Replacement Front Disc Brake Rotor, priced at $47.89. This rotor caught my eye, especially with a solid 4.6-star rating from 259 reviews. If you want a good balance of quality and price, this is worth considering. It meets SAE standards for tensile strength, which means it's built to last. Plus, with features like minimal lateral runout and balanced edges, you can expect less pedal pulsation and smoother stops. That's essential for safety and comfort when driving. However, some users did mention that they experienced some rusting after a few months. Here's the thing though, this can be common with many aftermarket rotors, and regular maintenance can help mitigate that issue. This is perfect for you if you own a Jeep or Chrysler and want reliable braking without breaking the bank. But skip this if you're looking for something for a luxury vehicle, as it's more suited for everyday driving needs. The value for money is definitely there. If you're concerned about rust, the next option might offer a different approach to material durability. Product number 4, Raybestos R-Line Disc Brake Rotor for Toyota. Next up is the Raybestos R-Line Automotive Replacement Front Disc Brake Rotor for select Toyota models, priced at $43.35. With a 4.5-star rating from 221 reviews, it's a solid option if you drive a Toyota or similar vehicle. If you want dependable performance at a lower price, this is definitely worth a look. Its lateral runout and thickness variation are minimized, which means less brake noise and a longer lifespan for your brake pads. These factors are crucial for maintaining safe and effective braking in everyday driving. However, some users did comment on its susceptibility to heat buildup under heavy braking. Now here's the thing, if you're mostly driving in city conditions, this shouldn't be a major issue, but for aggressive driving or frequent heavy braking, you might want to look elsewhere. This rotor is perfect for you if you're looking for an affordable and reliable option for older Toyota models. But skip it if you do heavy towing or racing, where more specialized rotors would serve you better. For everyday use, it provides great value. Now, if you're still unsure about which rotor to choose, let's recap. Product number 5, Bendix Premium PRT 5657 Rotor. Finally, we have the Bendix Premium PRT 5657 front brake rotor, priced at $64.78. What really stood out is that it's a bestseller with a 4.5-star rating from 4,400 reviews. If you're someone who prioritizes performance, this one is worth a serious look. The advanced design helps with heat dissipation, reducing the risk of brake fade. Plus, it minimizes noise and vibration, providing a smooth braking experience that many drivers appreciate, especially during those long trips. However, some users noted that it may be a bit pricier than alternatives. Here's the thing, if you're looking for top-tier performance and safety, investing in quality like this often pays off in the long run. This is perfect for you if you own a vehicle that matches its specifications and want outstanding braking performance. But if you're on a tight budget, you might want to consider the other options we've discussed. For the balance of quality and performance, it's definitely a top choice. So there you have it. We covered 5 fantastic Raybestos R-Line front brake rotors, each with its own strengths. Whether you're budget-conscious or looking for high-performance options, there's something here for everyone. Take your time, consider your vehicle needs, and choose the rotor that's right for you. Happy driving!